Hello everyone, welcome to this question where we are given a triangle ABC. We are also given that AD is perpendicular to BC. Length of BD is given as 4.2, AC is 15, and the angle ABD is given as pi over 3. This is something for us to take note when they give in terms of pi for angle. This is in radians, okay? Short RAD, okay? This is the time when Mr. Tan would then make sure his calculator is in radian mode. Now, find the height of A above BC. So they are actually trying to find the length of AD. So for this particular question, then I will actually focus on this green color right angle triangle and applying tua ka so, because this is opposite, this is adjacent to this angle. Tua ka so with O and A. That's where I apply my tangent. Pi over 3 radian is equals to AD, which is my opposite side, over my adjacent side, 4.2. That's why you see this. So all I have to do is to multiply 4.2 on both sides. That will give me the answer, 7.27 meter to 3 SF. So part A done. Part B, where we are required to find the angle ACD in radians. Then I will look at this purple color triangle, and I will be looking at this angle as well. So with respect to the angle, then I will have my opposite, I still have my opposite side as AD, hypo. And since I already know what is my AD from part A, 7.2746. Then I will see I have an O and a H. You will then see my working later on that I will use this sign. Okay? And so we are going to use the sign ratio here. So in my working that you are going to see shortly, you can then see Mr. Tan applying his sign of angle ACD equals to opposite, which is my 7.276 over my hypo. And at this point, it is important, since we want the answer to be in radian, we must make sure, so I'm going to make it really big here, we must make sure that the calculator is in radian mode, so that when you press the calculator, it gives you 0.506 radians to 3 SF. And for the last part, to find distance BC, then we just need to find this length. DC, because I already know BD as 4.2. And we can actually use Pythagoras theorem, since I know 7.2746 and 15. Alright, so that's the approach, and this is the answer. Applying Pythagoras theorem, I would be able to get my DC as 13.11, 1179. So I will then be able to find my BC. Just need to add 4.2 to it, 17.3 meter. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.